Hi guys, so I thought I would do a video where I put all of my everyday makeup essentials in this bag. I actually got this bag a long time ago, clearanced out at Target, like way before I was ever even into makeup. I guess I just liked the way the bag looked, so I figured I'd just go ahead and put it to good use. So it does have this nice big clear pocket up here, has this big pocket down here. I guess you can like slide some things into these little guys here, but I probably won't be using that. And then it has a place to hold brushes. I may not keep brushes in here because I don't know just how thick this is going to be, and with brushes in there it may not want to like zip closed. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to keep in here that I would reach for on an everyday basis. Hopefully everything fits. I have a lot of stuff laid out here. Oh, and let me just show you guys. So because I keep makeup in my purse now, I was like, I really need some travel size brushes to keep in my purse, just again for like on the go makeup. So I got this little case. I guess it's called Hedalina, New York. It's in this cute little tin. And look at these adorable brushes. They're like the perfect size. This one's like super nice and fluffy and soft. So I guess you got like a powder brush, a foundation brush, and two little eye brushes. So I'm really excited to have this. Okay, let's get into what I'm keeping in this bad boy. I have 3 palettes that I want to keep in here. This, I know it's huge, but that's how I get my like everyday like signature pink look, is with my Profusion Infatuation palette. I think I've showed you guys before, but I go in with this pink shade here called Jive, and then on my lid I go in with this purple shade called Retro. And then I go in with this foiled looking shade called Rush all over the lid. And that's just how I get my look. Oh, and then I take this shade in Go Girl under my lower lash line. I haven't really used any of the other colors in here yet, but I need to. And I'm actually hitting pan on my favorite shade that goes like on top of the rest of my pink look. So I might need to buy another one of these Infatuation palettes. I wish they sold like all of these colors individually. That way, like if you run out, you don't have to go and buy a whole nother palette. Like I wished all these colors would pop out and you could buy each individual color, so that when you do hit pan, you can just replace that one shade. Profusion. You should think about that. So let's see if this even fits in here. Okay, it does. Takes up a lot of room, but it's in there. The next palette I have not yet used, but I want to keep it in there. It is this Tarte palette. Is there a name on it? The Clay Play palette, which, look at the packaging. It is so pretty. I love the packaging so much. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I really just want to keep this palette, sorry, it's like blinding you. I really want to keep this palette in there. Because it is a completely neutral palette, and I really want to learn to do like completely neutral looks, and this is the perfect palette to play around with. So I just want to keep that in here in case I decide to actually do a neutral eye look. And then this has just been my go-to lately for like the longest time, my Revealed 2 palette by Coastal Scents. I literally just reach into 2 shades in here, and there's no shade names, but I go in with this like mauve toned shade all over the crease, and then I take this shimmery pinky shade and just put it on the lid, and that's what I've been doing, and it goes really well with this mauve toned lip shade. I really like it. Let me see if this all... Okay, all 3 palettes fit in there, so that's really good. That's probably all I'm going to be able to keep on that side. Okay, so the rest of the stuff I have, now I don't know if this is, it is a lotion, so I guess it is like a moisturizer. I figured I'd keep one in here just in case I forget to moisturize before doing my makeup or what have you. So I'm going to be keeping the Pixi Skin Treats Glotion Day Dew in here. And then of course my all-time favorite, Primer Duo, which is the number 7 Airbrush Away Pore Minimizing Primer, which I can tell I'm actually getting really low on this, so I might have to bust out the Baby Skin. Is that what it's called? Baby Skin Pore Minimizing Primer. So I need to go find that and possibly replace this soon. And then my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, because I can't not use this. And then on days that I want to just give myself a little glow, I will use this primer instead. It is the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. I do really like this. It has a nice pump on it. The packaging is it's really well made. It's a frosted glass bottle. I hope they don't discontinue this like they're supposedly discontinuing the Healthy foundation. That makes me so sad. That foundation is so good. Everybody raves about it, so why are they discontinuing it? I don't get it. And then I've actually been really enjoying this CoverGirl Outlast Active 24-Hour Foundation. I haven't done a test video on it yet, whether it is like humidity and sweat proof and like last 24 hours. I just really like the way it looks on my skin, so this is what I've been reaching for on the day-to-day, so I'm going to keep this in here. On days that I want a lighter coverage where I don't really need more of a full coverage foundation or anything, I'm just going to keep this little Shop Miss A AOA Studio BB cream in there. And then I have 2 more foundations I want to keep in there, like just in case I want to switch it up. I don't know if they'll all fit in there. I was going to also keep the number 7 Lift Illuminate foundation in there and the e.l.f. foundation serum in there. Maybe I'll keep the e.l.f. serum in here, and then I'll just start using this every once in a while just to, you know, get some use out of it. I haven't used it for quite some time, which is why I wanted to add it in here, but since I haven't been reaching for it lately, I probably won't reach for it in my everyday makeup bag, but I do want to start using this again before it actually expires and goes bad. Okay, and then got all my other products here. So my go-to everyday setting powder is my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder. Now, does anybody know, are they discontinuing the whole Healthy line or just the Healthy foundation? I don't know why they would do that, but like, I really like this Physicians Formula Healthy Powder as much as I like the foundation. I'm actually hitting pan on this. You can tell right there. I love to set my face with this, so this is going to go in here as well. And then, of course, you guys know my obsession with this LA Colors Strobing Highlight in Flashing Pink. I hit pan on it, and I'm just so worried. I hope my new one from Amazon gets here soon, because I use this every single day, so yes, I hit pan, but like I'm gonna like really hit pan soon because I use this every single day that I do my makeup. So I don't do my makeup every single day. You guys know what I mean. And then my go-to blush, which is my favorite blush ever. It is by e.l.f. and it is in the shade Always Rosy. I'm actually really surprised I haven't hit pan on this yet because I literally use this every single day. I have not used another blush in the longest time. Oh no, I don't know if everything's gonna fit in here. I wanted to also keep this Lumi Radiant Blush in here by AOA Studio from Shop Miss A just to like give it a try. Because it's so pretty and I feel like it would just give like the prettiest glow to the skin. You know what? I'll make room for it. I'll put it in there. I really want to test that out. I've got 3 lip products that I want to keep in here. One is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose, just a nice mauve color. My Shop Miss A AOA Studio Lip Pop in Daredevil, which is my favorite red to go to. And then my Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip in Magentile. And I swear, if they're going to discontinue the whole Healthy line and then they don't make these anymore, I will be extremely mad. I will protest. Seriously, I love the foundation. I love the powder. Like, take those away if you want, but do not take away these healthy lips. These are the best liquid lipsticks in the history of the world, at least since I've tried. I don't try like high-end lipsticks, so I don't know how those are, but these are my all-time favorite. Do not take these away from me. But this is my second favorite color that I own. Dose of Rose is number one. Magentile, actually Magentile may be my number one. I really like the hot pinkness of this, but either way, I'm going to keep that in there. My everyday go-to brow pencil, my e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown. I think I'm going to have to put that over here on the side. My everyday eyeliner, the Basket Case by Kat Von D and Billie Joe Armstrong. Still got lots of product left. I was getting worried because I'm pretty sure this was limited edition and I don't know if you can get it anymore at all, but you can always check eBay. They may charge you a lot, but if I run out of this, I'm going to get it one way or another. Whether I go to eBay, whether I go to freaking Craigslist, I don't care. It's my favorite freaking eyeliner. I also wanted to keep this brow product in there as well because it also makes my brows look really good after I fill them in. It's the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in deep brown. And then two concealers I'm going to keep in here. My Tarte Shape Tape Mini Concealer in Light Sand. I basically use this just to prime my eyelids. That's all I ever use this for. And then I really want to start reusing this under my eyes. It is the CoverGirl with Olay, the Depuffer Concealer. And it has like the metal thing that like it's supposed to like be cooling under your eyes. But and this is in the shade 310 Fair. But I want to start using up these products so they don't go bad on me. Like I said, one of my goals for this year is to actually test out all of the makeup I have, use up a lot of the makeup I have, etc. So there were a few more products I wanted to try and fit in here, and we'll see if we can make it work. I thought about adding this highlight in there as well. It is the Shop Miss A AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter in Fortune. It is just another really pretty pinky toned highlight that I just love. So I think I'll stick that in there. And this is a powder that I got in BoxyCharm that I've just been really wanting to try. I don't know if it'll fit though. It is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So basically and it says, keep me closed to keep me cool. So there's like this little netting. Can you see some like flying up in the air? So there's this little netting and you just kind of do this, I guess, with your brush. And it feels so cool on the skin. It is so crazy. But it's a setting powder, but it feels wet. It's so crazy. I really want to try this on my face. I'm going to see if I can shove this in here. Okay, I can make it work if I take the e.l.f. Foundation serum out, which I'm okay with. I will still use this, but I already have that BB cream and the CoverGirl foundation in there, so I really don't need this one in there. Again, I will still get use out of it though. And another setting powder I would like to keep in there, just because I do really like it, is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin powder, and mine is in 20 Classic Ivory. Is this supposed to be... No, it says Skin Transforming Powder. Sometimes I don't know if like powders are supposed to be like powder foundations or just face powder. I don't know. But I do really like this, so I'm going to hopefully make that work. Alright. Everything fits. Both compartments are completely filled. So I definitely don't think there will be room for brushes, just because by the time I go to close it without brushes, it's already like really thick and looks like it may not want to close. it is closing. But if I put brushes in there, it would just make it harder on myself to close it. So this is going to be like my everyday makeup essentials, like when I do my makeup in the morning or what have you. This is what I will reach for. Originally, I was using this as like my everyday makeup essentials, but I think I'm just going to store makeup in here that I want to like test out, try, like give another try if it's something I didn't like it before and then I just want to try it again, like stuff like that, because I don't need my everyday bag to be like this big. I just put everything in there before because I had it, and you know what I mean. So I'm going to keep products in here that like I want to test out more or just get more use out of, but this right here will be my everyday go-to makeup bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to go get some more packing done, get a lot of trash thrown away, and break down some boxes that need to be broken down before heading to bed. I don't want to be up super late, but I do want to get as much done as possible. Time is ticking. I'm not going to be in this house much longer, which is why I am pre-filming so many videos to have on hand, because once I get back home, I'm going to be unboxing stuff and trying to get settled in, and I'm not going to want to film videos while going through all of that. So I'm pre-filming videos so I have some ready for when I go back home. Hope you guys are okay with that. I am still here and there putting out a couple of the videos I've had privatized for a while now as pre-filmed videos, but I'm trying to save most of them for when I go back home. Oh, also, you see my little necklace here? Just a cute little gold D. I actually saw it on one of Leanne Says videos. I think she found it at a vintage shop, and I searched like a D initial necklace on Amazon, and the exact same one that Leanne Says has popped up, and I was like, I have to have it. But the chain that it originally came with just made it look so cheap. I really didn't like it, so I took this chain from another necklace and then put this charm on it, and I really like it. And I'm not a huge necklace person, but I really do like this necklace, and I think it looks really good against my black sweatshirt. So I'm going to get going here. I have one more video to film, so if you guys see a few videos where I'm in like the same, you know, same makeup look, same shirt, don't get mad at me. I could easily go change my shirt, but it's easier to not. So on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.